The 96SS gas tray dryer is a state-of-the-art drying solution designed specifically for chemical processing applications. This machine boasts a robust construction made entirely of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring both durability and ease of maintenance. With a total of 96 trays, each with specified dimensions 24x24, the dryer offers ample space for drying a substantial volume of chemical products. The trays are capable of holding up to specified weight capacity of 5 kilograms each, making it ideal for handling significant quantities. The dryer operates using a gas-fired heating method, which can accommodate either natural gas or LPG with a gas pressure specified range of 5 to 10 psi. It features an adjustable temperature range from 50 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of 1 degree Celsius to ensure precise drying conditions. The drying chamber is well insulated with high-efficiency thermal insulation to maintain consistent temperatures and improve energy efficiency. Air circulation within the chamber is enhanced by a forced air system with adjustable fan speeds, allowing for customizable airflow patterns, either horizontal or vertical, to suit different drying requirements. The dryer includes a user-friendly digital control system that allows for precise temperature and timer settings, and it comes equipped with essential safety features such as over-temperature protection, low gas pressure alarms, flame failure detection, and an emergency stop button. The machine requires a power supply of 440 volts, 50 Hz, 3-phase and a gas connection of half NPT. An effective exhaust system is also integrated to manage gas and moisture removal.